Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. Finally, Bitcoin has broken down another triangle that we were discussing in my previous video, and in current video we are going to discuss what can be our next target, or is there any possibility for the price reversal or not. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it, and for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I am sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. First of all, let me to show you this hourly time frame chart, and here we have been watching that the price line previously formed this ascending triangle here, and we broke down, and even we moved down below the targets of this triangle. Now if we take a look at the current triangle, then our target to the downside can be, if I place this trend line here at the breakdown point, here approximately at $39,550, and there we have a very strong support, as I told you. And even in my previous several videos, I have been telling you that this can be a very strong and key support for Bitcoin, because in the long term it has been working as a very strong support. And even on the short term, we can see when we had this spike to the downside here, then price line was nicely bounced by this support. Now let's take a look at the weekly time frame. First, let me show you this daily time frame. And here we can see that we have broken out a very long-term channel, and now we are testing the support of $39,500 once again. Now let's take a look at this support once again. It has been working as a nice support here on 10th of January 2022, and here back in September 2021 it has been working as a nice support, and before that here you can see in the month of June and May 2021 it has been working as a nice resistance, and here in the month of January 2021 it has been working as a nice support. Therefore, now we need to keep an eye on this support of $39,500. For example, if $39,500 will be broken down, then we can test this previous resistance of the channel as a support, and that is at approximately $37,000. And right now there is a very nice and positive thing we have on the charts, and that is the stochastic on the daily time frame chart has again entered the oversold zone, and therefore we can hope for a recovery rally from this support of $39,500. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.